Let's face it, building a tech team can be a real headache. Between interviewing candidates, negotiating salaries, dealing with office politics, it's enough to make you want to pull out your hair. But what if I told you there was a way to bypass all this hassle and get your hands on top-notch tech talent without ever leaving your office? That's right, folks. Truetalent.online is here to save the day. With our AI-based IT staff augmentation services, you can forget about the struggle of finding and hiring the right people. All you have to do is tell us what you need, and we will match you with the best remote tech talent from around the world. Think about it. No more endless job postings. No more frustration with local talent shortages. And no more wasting time on interviewing candidates who just don't fit the bill. With Truetalent.online, you will have access to a whole world of tech talent at your fingertips. But just don't take our word for it. Take a look at some of the world's most successful companies that have already discovered the power of remote tech talent. Shopify, the e-commerce giant, has been using remote talent for years and has been able to grow their tech team while saving money and resources. Next would be Zapier, the automation software company, has a fully remote tech team spread out across the globe, and they're thriving. Or take Buffer, for example, the social media management tool. It has a team of 100% remote employees and has seen a dramatic increase in productivity since switching to remote work. And these are just a few examples of companies that have reaped the benefits of remote tech talent. So if you are tired of your tech team headaches, give Truetalent.online a try. It's time to upgrade your tech team game, and we are here to help. Thank you.